Osteoarthritis is most common joint disease. Joints involved are distal interphalangeal joints, proximal interphalangeal joints, and first carpo-metacarpal joints. Osteoarthritis is basically of two types, primary and secondary. Primary are the idiopathic cases and secondary are the cases caused by trauma, overweight, or avascular necrosis. Clinical features of osteoarthritis is pain in joint and decrease in movement of joints. Radiological features include decrease in joint spaces. For treatment of osteoarthritis, we can use physiotherapy or braces. We can use non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like acetaminophen, COX inhibitors, cartilage protectors like chondroitin sulfate or glucosamine. We can use lubricants like injection hyaluronidase. Surgical treatment include joint replacement and high tibial osteotomy. Thank you. Rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune condition in which body's own immune system destroys the tissues of joints. Rheumatoid arthritis presents with complaints of pain in joints of wrist, metacarpophalangeal joints and proximal interphalangeal joints. Bilateral and symmetrical involvement is seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Deformities such as swan neck deformity and boutonniere deformity are commonly seen. Flexor tenosynovitis is the hallmark feature of rheumatoid arthritis. Diagnosis is made by MRI hand, RA factor, and anticyclic citrulline peptide antibodies. X-ray shows decrease in joint spaces. Now coming to treatment, we can treat the rheumatoid arthritis by giving methotrexate once a week dose. If the patient is unresponsive to this therapy, we can use triple therapy, which includes increased dose of methotrexate, sulfasalazine, and hydroxychloroquine.
So I would like to share some questions so that you can tell the other students also. So I was asked by board 2, firstly about my name, then to tell about the college name, and thirdly they asked me about CPR, the dose of epinephrine, adrenaline used in CPR. Then they asked me about anaphylaxis, the drug of choice. This specifically wanted to hear epinephrine, and then they asked me about dengue prevention, what measures can be taken, and they asked me measles vaccine, and yes sir, these were the questions asked.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi. I had joined Manoj Sharma sir's PD classes for my SSC interview. I still remember my first day where I had called up sir and told him that I have my SSC interview. Sir just said one thing, "Don't worry doctor, we'll take care of everything." And then my classes began, and his energy is so amazing and uplifting that by the end of the session, you feel so good about yourself. Sir took care of every little thing about how to approach to your interviewer, how to sit and how to speak. Every little thing about body language made me realize that those minor details were also so important during an interview apart from academics part. Sir guided me throughout my journey, and I would like to thank you, sir. I would recommend everybody, whosoever, for any kind of interview to definitely take guidance from sir's classes and crack their interview.